Good morning, USA and Canada. Welcome back to Pre-Market Roar by Reliance Trading Academy. Girish here from India, a trader, trainer, and mentor. And let's start today's Pre-Market Roar. So, I will be discussing about Dow Jones, S&P 500, Triple Q, and HYG. Okay. So, let's start with Dow Jones. As we discussed yesterday that in our pre-market roar, we discussed that we are expecting markets to fall drastically and might even go as below as 33,500. Okay, so yesterday Dow Jones literally tumbled like pack of cards. Okay, and today also I am expecting the downfall to continue. Only thing which is added or changed is that yesterday the level that I mentioned was, I guess, 33,500 or 33,600. Now today it has gone even further lower side, and now even though the targets are not always meant to be achieved, but this is where the provision that the institutions have made, 33,250. But yes, before that we might expect a little bounce or might even expect a little gap up opening, but the new resistance has been posted at 33,800. So I will not be surprised if the market goes up a little bit, and if I get an entry, a short selling opportunity anywhere close to 33,800 or even little above it. Once the market starts falling and starts forming a lower high and lower low, after that I will place my stop loss on whatever high the market has made. I will place my stop loss above it, and I will then go short and keep on trailing my stop losses. Either we can or we might make it all the way to 33,400, 33,250, and if it breaks 33,250, then I will still hold my position and keep on trailing my stop losses. Okay, I might be a little bit more aggressive today and might not wish to close my position and just hold on to it, latch on to it. But yes, I will keep my stop losses trailing. About S&P 500, see, because it is the last day of the week, there were not much clarity on what the positions they have in the next week. Okay, but still, because overall market sentiments, whatever I have identified from Dow Jones, I will still remain bearish. The support is still at 4,050 and the resistance will be 4,100. So I am still bearish on S&P 500 also. If I get entry anywhere around 4,100 or anywhere between 4,100 and 120, I will like to go short for the target of 4,050. Okay. So this new asset, which was requested by one of the listeners of Pre-Market Roar or the follower of Pre-Market Roar. So this TQQQ is one of the index that you trade. As we can see, yes, obviously I am bearish on QQQ as well. If I get entry anywhere close to 305, I will be more than happy to sell it. Okay, but it will be for what analysis I have done for QQQ. It is only for intraday. Okay, for today's expiry. Okay, so if I get an opportunity to short sell, I will sell it for 1 day and my targets will be 300, and unfortunately in pre-market it is already at 300, so we might not get that opportunity. Okay, for next week I will do the analysis after today's expiry, because there will be more clarity and I will keep on posting my views on QQQ also. But what below 300, max it can go down to 298. If I get entry for intraday, if I get entry anywhere around 298 or anywhere between 298 and 300, I can go long because I will expect the expiry to take place anywhere close to 302.5. Okay. Apart from this, I also want to share some views on this, and as it is my habit to keep on asking questions, I had asked few questions yesterday to my candidates who have already learned from me. This time I am not going to tell the answer. Okay, I can identify two patterns here within this much, within this many candles. Okay, from this one till this one, I can identify two different patterns. I want, just take it as a homework, I want my candidates to draw that patterns and share the screenshots. They have my numbers, or you can mention it in the comments on this video. I will disclose, because I'll be covering this tomorrow also, not tomorrow, sorry, on Monday also. So I will disclose the answers on Monday, in Monday's pre-market roll. The fourth asset, HYG, again, mostly whatever I'm talking is mostly for today's expiry, not for next week, not to be carried forward. Okay, so if I get entry anywhere close to 75, I will just keep a very small stop loss, maybe above 75.5, and my targets will be on the lower side. My targets will be 73.5 to 70. Okay, even if I don't get entry anywhere here, whenever the market starts falling after opening, I will wait for the more details about the options data and all. After looking at the options data, even if I get entry anywhere close to, let's say, 74.75 or something, I will still go short, because I firmly believe that it has to go down all the way to 73.50 at least once. Okay, so if I am trading, I would rather select next week expiry instead of selecting today's expiry, and just being more overconfident, a little more ready to take a little more risk, I would short sell it in next week's expiry for the targets of 73.5 till 73. And it might be a case that after reaching there, I can reverse my position for again, like for an uptrend up to 75. Okay, so this is what I think about HYG. I hope this analysis and this way of doing the analysis is helping you. You are getting to learn new things. We'll keep in touch. Please don't hesitate to mention these assets, names of the assets that you want to include in the pre-market roll. I will try and cover those in one of my, or in my next pre-market rolls. Okay, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe before leaving. Thank you. Happy weekend. Enjoy. Trade safe. Trail your stop losses. Take care. Bye bye.